everybody.
Hello.
I have been stamping all those dogs.
Those sweet baby dogs.
Now, why are they barking now?
I told you, because their daddy's not home. Their daddy.
Okay. Well, anyway, I have been stamping these little Tim Holtz birdies. And I colored one set of them, and I've been stamping several pages of them. And so that's what I've done for my 15 minutes today. Yeah. So those little birdies, I think they're funny. I think they're fabulosity. So this is for my Meet Me with some die cuts. So, yep. So, I think y'all should join us with this Meet Me with some die cuts business. Yeah.
It is so much fun. So much fun is to be had.
Yep. Alrighty. Well, that's it for me. That's my 15.
Okay,
Alrighty. We'll talk at you later.
all right, blessings.
Toodaloo.